If you want to experience Android TV on your computer, then in this video I will show you how to install Android TV on a USB drive and use it on your PC or Mac. Previously, we created a bootable USB drive for Android TV using a Mac. Today, we will do the same on a Windows PC. Once the USB drive is ready, whether created on Windows or Mac, you can use it on any compatible device without affecting your current operating system. Excited? Let's get started. We start the video with basic requirements. You will need Android TV ISO file and a USB drive. First, we need to download the Android TV ISO file. For that, open your web browser and download the file using the link provided in the video description. After downloading the ISO file, plug your USB drive into your PC. Make sure to use a blank USB drive or backup any important data before proceeding, as the process will erase all data on the USB drive. Next, format the USB drive. Right click on it and choose Format. Select FAT32 as the file system. You can also assign a name to your USB drive if you wish, and then click the Start button. Once the formatting is complete, go to your Downloads folder and mount the Android TV ISO file. Now, copy all its contents to your USB drive. Next, locate the data 4GB zip file and extract it in the same location. I highly recommend using a third-party app like 7-Zip for faster extraction. However, if you prefer, you can use Windows built-in extractor, but it may take longer. Now, it's time to use the USB drive. Restart your computer and enter the BIOS settings. Set the USB drive as the first boot option, save changes and exit. After booting, you will see the Android TV initial setup screen. Follow the on-screen instructions. And you are good to go. And that's it. Now you can enjoy Android TV on your PC or Mac.